This video is how to connect two slope mains at fixed locations with a rolled offset, and these are sloped. The process for doing this is the same as used for a uh, flat run of pipe, although this this method is a little simpler, a little more straightforward. We'll take a look at the front view. You can see the slope. Uh, the branch lines are also sloped. So let's get underway here. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of this. I'll pull these pipes back so we have no pre-existing conditions. And what I'm going to do here is put in a little short section of pipe that follows these two mains. But to do that, I need a reference line. These are the only reference lines that we're going to use. And they're just to place our pipe. Oops. Check and make sure that those are on the center lines. Sometimes it's missed. We're going to hide everything except those lines. All right. I'm going to put in our section of pipe, end point to end point. Okay. We're on the mark. Now we're going to rotate these till they're flat. First we got to be in the XY plane, looking north. Rotate. Select all of these. And this is going to be our base point. And it's important that that point doesn't get moved, because we're going to use it to put it back. And to get it flat, we need to do a minus 0.5729. Now, to demonstrate, we'll list this line. And it's 180 degrees, which is flat in this situation. And the reason I use the line is, excuse me, when you try to list the pipe, it won't give you this angle. So we'll leave those where they're at. We can get back to the top view here, and we'll start our roll section here. Now we can do it 45, 60, or 90. The process is the same. I'm going to use 45 here. We'll drag it out to about there. The length right now isn't important. So now we're going to rotate that. This is very similar to what I did in the first video for a rolled offset, but simplified considerably. So before we rotate this, we got to get in the XY plane. We're looking east. We're going to rotate the pipe and the fitting, and the base point is going to be right there. And we're going to use a reference angle again. And our reference angle is right there, and there, and the new angle is right there. Get back to the world. Look at the top view. I'll drag this one over up there till it looks like it'll intersect with that. Pull that up and we get our 45. There it is. Boom. Now that we've got it connected in the flat pipe, let's get back to this view. Now we're going to rotate it back to its slope. Going to get in the XY, looking north. Rotate. Let's select everything, although it's not necessary. That point. Now we're going to rotate it back. 0.5729. Enter. We can get rid of this. We can get rid of this. Get back to the world just for grins. Although, excuse me, it doesn't make much difference. Drag this now over to that end point. Just take a look at our connections. No issues. Check my tolerances. That was from the previous one. Let's run one on this. Got a good report. Look at the plot file. There it is. Everything's sloped like it's supposed to be, and a connection. Well, I hope that helps. I'm going to leave the other video up on rolled offsets, even though this one incorporates the same method but simplified. Thank you for watching.